Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. These are some of the items that we're going to use for the marinated jerk chicken wings. We have garlic, ginger, onion, some pepper, spring onion, some more onion I found in the house, some thyme, and some of the 5 spice that I made, okay? I'm going to blend it all up in the Vitamix, alrighty. Okay. Let's cut the onion up into some big pieces here and put that in the blender there. Handful of garlic. Let's cut the ginger up into big chunks. Bell pepper. Big chunks. The bag of onion. Spring onions. Let's cut the bottoms off. Cut these into chunk size pieces. Alright. I'm gonna put all of this. Let me get a measuring spoon. Okay, I have a teaspoon. Let's see. That's 1 teaspoon, 2 teaspoons, and that was the 5 spice that I made. Okay, let's put 2 teaspoons of thyme in here as well. That's 1 teaspoon. Good heaping size. That's thyme. I have a jalapeno pepper. Almost forgot. Let's cut it in half. Remove some of the seeds. I don't want it to be too hot. Let's take some of the seeds out. And with the other half as well. I'm going to put the whole jalapeno in there. And put it into the mixer. We need olive oil. Here's the chicken wing, and here's the mixture. And toss the wings in the mixture now. Sometimes I put them into plastic bags, but I'm going to cook these today. So, I'm going to have them marinating in the refrigerator for a minute till I'm ready for them. Okay, guys, I decided to put them into 2 separate bags because I think I had quite a few wings than I thought. So, I guess I just fixed 1 package today and maybe another package later on in the week. They'll be marinated down. So there you have it, 2 packages of marinating jerk chicken wings. In the refrigerator they go. See you in a little bit. These are the oxtails that I'll be cooking later on today. Marinating away. Marinated oxtails. Oh, it smells so good. Check out the video for the marinated oxtails on YouTube, guys. Look at it on YouTube under Bonnie B 7243. That's me. from the DMV. I have habanero peppers in here, habanero, and everything else. Look at that. Look at that.